Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. This is day 3 of Vlogmas, and today we have decided that we are going to do what?
Decorate our tree.
So let's go.
It's the Adam and Dale show.
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 Welcome to the Adam and Dale show.
We about to tell you what you don't know. There you go, honey. Remember? Y'all, we got all of our decorations here that we're going to use for our Christmas tree. Oh, excuse her. She's tired. She's tired. And so what we're doing is going to go through all of our decorations. We're going to, so much to do, but we got to get our Winter Wonderland together. Look at our Winter Wonderland items. Are you so proud?
Yes.
Yes.
Nothing catches my eye. What do you get for someone who has it all? I've been to every corner of this godforsaken mall. What in the world would be?
All right, the tree is done, and now we're gonna light it up. How does it look?
Ting!
You like it?
I do.
Look at that.
Ooh, walking in the Winter Wonderland.
This looks good.
This does look pretty good.
It's a Winter Wonderland, honey.
You just gotta finish the rest of the house to really bring it to life. Check us out. A for Adam. G for Gail. And this is from Tina. Thank you, Tina.
It's something you won't be soon forgetting. It's something we can share.
Well, guys, that didn't take too long. It wasn't too bad, wasn't it? No, but we just wanted to show y'all how we decorate our Christmas tree and our living room and everything for Christmas. Can't wait till one day we have a huge house and we get to deck it out, even outside and all that sort of that. But you saw our tree, you saw our Winter Wonderland, just a little snippet of what we have. But it's great for us, right?
Cool for me.
Yeah, right?
That's my business.
It is our business. Hello?
Well, we have to go back to work tomorrow, so I got work to do.
Yep. Thanksgiving is over. December is finally here. Well, we have a few weeks until Christmas break, so you'll be seeing that journey as we vlog through December. All right, Hendo Tribe.
Don't forget to like.
Give us some feedback in the comments.
And please subscribe for more Henderson exclusives.
We love y'all for watching. Peace.
'Cause here it is, your